Warren County, Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, McMurray, McKeesport, Gastonville, West Mifflin, North Side Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, and Wilkinsburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 30. Parkway North near mile marker 1. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.